Well, I'm here at ERA, and this is the first of two interviews I'm going to be doing here. I've got Tim Burton with me. Hi, Tim. Good to see you. Now, Tim, we're going to talk about cloud-based solutions and workflows with yourself in particular. But first of all, give us a little overview of ERA.
ERA is systems integrator. I've been going for 14 years now, primarily focusing on the media and creative industries. I head up the broadcast side. We also do visual effects as well. And here today with a number of products, one of which is Adobe Anywhere and the project around the lab.
So tell us a bit about your integration with Adobe Anywhere and things.
So integration is a very kind of key piece with Adobe Anywhere, because it's about building a workflow to then accelerate. And we very much take it from looking at the workflow. Maybe Anywhere isn't the right product, and maybe sometimes we'll just go with a vanilla Creative Cloud workflow and high performance storage around that workflow. But we're very much kind of approaching it from that kind of holistic front, look at what's actually required, and then architect something. Which is kind of the reason why we built the lab up at Salford, was the idea to get customers in to actually build their workflow for real, not just look at PDFs and diagrams on whiteboards, see it run through, find the gotchas, get the buy-in of the people who are actually going to be using the system, so the actual creative individuals, and then once we've kind of got that system together, use that as the template to build out the production system, which we think is the only way to kind of deploy these enterprise systems.
So the idea of this lab is if somebody's thinking, right, okay, I need to step up from what I'm doing, I'm looking for a more cloud-orientated solution, I'm not sure how it's going to integrate with my current workflow, my hardware, they can come to you and you can sort that out there.
Yeah, it's very much kind of, from a consultative side, look at what they've got, maybe they can bring guest equipment or guest workflows, and very rarely do you find you can just take someone's workflow and cloudify it, or virtualize it. Usually there's some give and take, there are going to be some drawbacks, and you'd like to think the only reason you're doing it is to get a larger net benefit. So build that, make sure that that net benefit is something that they want and is useful to them, and then we can keep nipping and tweaking and tucking to make sure it has real demonstrable business value.
Tim, that's great. Now, if people want to find out some more information about ERA and the lab, for example, what's the website they can go to?
eralondon.co.uk, and find details there. We're also going to be doing a launch event coming out soon, which will be posted to our website, and we'll be doing various open days up at Salford.
Tim, thank you very much. Go and have a look at their website to find out everything you would need to know about ERA and how they can help you. And don't forget, we're doing a lot here at BVE 2014, and you'll find that on our website, which is broadcastshow.com.